So let's just get started, right? I don't know if Kevin wants to say anything before we start. Yeah. So we'll just continue from where we stopped on Wednesday. Okay. Let me share my screen. Please let me know if you can see my screen. My screen is bit okay. Okay, thank you. All right. So I think we stopped at Cairo syntax overview. Right. So I'm not going to be doing like a deep explanation of the. It's just like majorly showing you how similar Cairo syntax is to Rust. If you're familiar with Rust, if you're a Rust developer, you can see that all of these things actually look like the same, just like a little tweak and a little like difference between the two different languages. So basically, to create a custom data type in Cairo. Okay, so before we get into the syntax overview, if we recall, I made mention that Cairo is a provable programming language, while Rust is not a provable programming language, right? Cairo runs in the Cairo VM, while Rust compiles to the CPU architecture, right, of your computer. So they are two different languages, though Cairo is inspired by Rust, but they are still two different languages, right? Now, to create a custom data type in Cairo, you use struct. I think Solidity developers will be familiar with struct, right? Even if you're not a solid developer, you don't have like blockchain development background, not to worry. When you get to the coding aspect, that's from next week, yeah, it will be explained to you in detail. Is it only Richard that can see my screen or everyone can see my screen? Please let me know. Okay, that means Richard, something is wrong with your probably your network. Okay, so like I said, right, this is a custom data type of rectangle, right, and then we have height and width. The area of a rectangle, we have height and width a size. We have different sizes, different unit sizes in Cairo. We have from U8, right? That's unsigned integer 8 to U256, right? So we are using a size of U64 here, which are scalar types. Scalar types are types that only represent a single value, right? Don't worry, you don't have to like really understand in detail. I'm just like it's just a sneaky like peek of the whole structure. Now we have a trait. When you want to define um, what a custom data type can do, you create a trait with the function signature of all the functions you want um, or you want the custom data type to do. Now we have a trait of shape geometry, which has two functions, more like they are methods. The functions are also called methods, right? Method signature, we have boundary and we have area. And then if you want to specify the type of self to indicate the custom data type that, sorry, you have to specify the type of self this type of self, right, that is there to indicate that the custom data type that this trait applies to. So that's why we are using self rectangle. So it's pointing to this custom data type of rectangle. So I just hope we are following. Are we following? This is actually simple. Thank you. Thank you. So now we have the implementation. This is just the implementation of, so traits, we can, in this sense, we can say it's like interface in Solidity. If you're familiar with Solidity, you will know what I'm talking about. And then if you want to implement an interface, you have to like implement all the functions in the interface in your contract. So this is the implementation. So we have the implementation have names. You have the impli and then rectangle geometry of, you are pointing to this of shape geometry. Now you define the two functions that you want your implementation to have. You have boundary, right? And then you have the logic of the boundary inside and the logic of the area function as well, right? So that's just that for the Cairo program. Okay, let me just put it for slideshow. So for the Starknet, right? You know, we have Cairo program and we have Starknet contract. We use Cairo to write Starknet contracts, but you can also have a pure Cairo program. The first one I showed you is a pure Cairo program. Why this is an overview of a Starknet contract. Now, when you want to write a Starknet contract, right, you have to indicate this module. It's called the modules. These are modules, asterisk Starknet contract, and it tells the compiler that this is a Starknet contract. This tells the compiler that this is a Starknet contract. Now, you can also call it an attribute. So it tells the compiler to turn a regular module into a smart contract. It's a form of meta programming. If you are familiar with meta programming, right? It's just like um, changes the behavior of um, of the code, right? Now we have, this is the interface. I made mention of traits like an interface for Solidity smart contract, right? Now to declare interface in Starknet, you use Starknet colon interface. So this is your contract interface, and then in the interface you specify the functions that you want your contract to implement. Here right now, this contract is just a simple storage smart contract that sets a value and also gets the value, right? Now, this is the interface of the smart contract, which is I simple storage. Usually, even in Solidity, if you want to declare an interface, you will see we should be familiar with ERC20 smart contract, right? If you check the interfaces, you will see I ERC20, right? I this, I that. So this is just from the interface I, and then you write the remaining name I this, I that. So the storage now, okay, so once you declare your contract, right, you have the mode simple storage, right? And then this is storage. So the internal state of a smart contract is defined by, we have different states of a smart contract. We have the internal, we have the external, right? The view function. For Solidity, there are internal, external, public, private, view, pure. Yeah. So we have the storage, right, that stores the state of the contract. This is the contract state. It's defined using struct, and the name must always be storage. You cannot change it. It has to be storage, right? So now we have stored data of u size 128, and then for the implementation, we have simple storage, right, which is the contract itself, right, of super, and then it's pointing to the interface here, right, and then passing in the contract state. So yeah, the no, let me not just explain it so that it will not confuse some people. Yeah, your mentor in the next class will explain it to you. So this ABI embed underscore, right, it shows that um it tells the compiler that the compiler that the method are public and can be called by any user, right? It can be called from other smart contracts or by users like outside of the smart contract. So these are public methods. You use this as public method. But right now it has changed to v1, so you can't use v0 anymore, right? So, and then we have the function. In the implementation contract, we have function set and function get. Now, you can see at and you can see ref. So ref is simply a method, right? So a method can receive the state as a reference using the ref keyword if it plans to change the internal state during execution. So it's just like if you want to change the state of a contract, you need to use the ref keyword, right? And then to you use the at if the function during the execution is not going to change, is not going to modify the state of the contract. You're just viewing. It's just like a view function in Solidity, right? You just want to like get the state of the smart contract, right? So that's why we use .read. It's just reading. There's no gas fees that is being spent. You're reading from storage, while this you write to storage. So this art is called a snapshot. It's called a snapshot. You can think of it in the normal sense of the name snapshot. You want to get the snapshot of the contract state. You just want to like read from the storage, and that's all. So that's that about the overview of the Starknet contract and the Cairo program. Do we have any question here at this point? Okay, thank you. Okay, so at this point, we need to set up dev environment, right? Before we move to setting up installing Scarb, let me see your reactions if you've installed Rust on your PC, if you have Rust installed, or no. You know what? No, put your hands down. Let me see your hands if you don't have Rust installed at all. If you don't have Rust installed, okay. We have a lot of people that don't have, okay, 3 persons. Karim, Nicholas, Jennifer. So we have 3 people. Ah, okay. So right now, I hope you're with your PC. So let's quickly, because we have to be on the same page. Is it like just three people? Okay, so let's just get started. I hope you are with your PC. So what we do is um to install Rust. I already have Rust installed, so I can't show you the installation, right? So we're going to go through it together in the class. Who's here? Just three persons. Installed. Cairo uses. I will not say it uses. It's more flexible actually than OOP. You know, OOP we have like JavaScript and Solidity. It's more than that. It doesn't. It's like it's very similar to Rust. Like yeah. Okay. So for you that have installed Rust, right? So you need to confirm if you actually have Rust installed. Check, use this Rust to check if you have Rust installed. So let's know we're on the same page. So check. There are two dashes, Rust C dash dash version, and let's see. Right here, I have Rust. So I have 1.77.2. You can just put in comment section the version that you have, right? Okay, so the three persons that don't have Rust so let me know. Please type in the comments if your your piece your operating system is if it's Linux, if it's Mac or Windows, let me know. We're not going to be going through Windows in the Linux. Okay, Windows. For Windows, I'm going to be dropping a docs that you will follow. All right, this is a Mac right here. I'm talking about people that don't have Rust installed yet. Okay, so for Linux and Mac users, right, just go to the link I dropped and then paste this code, sorry, this command line, and then it will take some time. Sure, just let me know if you're doing it already. Wow, Richard. Okay, let me know if you're doing it already. If you're doing it, please type something in the income message chat so I will know that you're following. For those that don't have Rust installed yet, mine is installing. So okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Please, the ladies, I'm not seeing anything. Ladies, where are you? Taramola, okay, I think you use Windows. Okay, Taramola Emmanuel. This is Emmanuel. Taramola Emmanuel. Okay, let me send the doc for Windows users. Who wants to say something? Installed in Mac is check the version. Check the version. Okay, the person that has version 1.00, you have to update your and then this is the code to update your version. You run rust stop update. If you have installed Rust, please check the version using rust C dash dash version. to see if you have it installed. So you need to I hope you are following. This class is not supposed to be more than 1 hour, actually. Um, okay, guys, for Windows users, so you can follow um the steps here. That's the problem with Windows, honestly. I have a doc though. Let me check. I have a documentation on it. No, it's here for Windows installation. Okay. Oh, where did I put this thing? I will share it after this class, right? I don't want us to take more time. Let me open here. I put the doc together for Windows people. Mm, on Windows, download and run or stop. Ah, what am I downloading? I'll send it after the class. Okay, so um you haven't posted something on the was okay. All right, awesome. Is how do I check the version of the Rust on Windows? It's the same. You can use Rust C dash dash version to check it. Okay, so let's move on. So now that we have that installed, so let's go to our VS Code. Everybody should have VS Code. Mm. Is it like you guys want to say something? Okay, please go to your VS Code. Go to your extensions on your VS Code and search for Cairo 1.0. This is it and install it. Let me know once you do it in the chat box. Awesome. Once someone is done, Is it just one person that is done? Okay, two. These guys will fast. It doesn't take time. Right. Search for Cairo 1.0 and install right away. Hmm. Okay. Yes, Chris 1.0. Okay, we have a lot of persons. Please guys hurry. Yeah, at least like 70% of the class should have this installed. Right. Okay, okay. So if you're not installing Cairo 1.0, what is the reason why you're not? Is there any issue that you're facing? Okay. All right. So once you have the Cairo V1 installed on your VS Code extension, it's time to install Scarb. So for next week, you're really going to be using Scarb to do your coding, run your, it's going to be the playground that you're going to be using, right? So let me send this for you to install. Oh, who sent me a message? Joshua, do you have something to say? All right, you can go ahead to copy this and install it on your machine. Daramola Emmanuel, do you want to say something? It's when you're putting, let me know if it's your own Rust is, please update it. Use Rust top update to update your Rust version. Um, when you're putting done, let's know if it's the extension that you're done downloading or you're done downloading Scarb. Same name and same version, right? Probably because I've had V2 point, yeah, that should be it. I've had mine since like for a very long time now. So that should still be it. I have 2.8, 2.3, 2.8. Please download it. It's still the same thing. Yes. So what? Yes, it's the same thing. The scarp is for installation is for all OS. Yes, as long as you have Rust installed already. Okay, let me send a link to this slideshow, and then you can copy the command line yourself from there. Not working. How? Why is it not working? I have an issue installing Scarb. What OS are you using? Emmanuel? Okay. Done installing Scarb Windows. That's I don't know. Just I can't. Please type Cairo 1. Cairo 1. The term sh is not recognized as the name. This is Windows, right? Oluwafemi. Oluwafemi. Let's see your screen.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So I'm getting this error. I think
Okay, let's. Do you have Rust installed already?
yeah, I do.
Okay. Just one second. Let me send this link again. Maybe if this doesn't work, then you have to use ASDF.
Okay.
Okay, just chill. One minute. Can I see your paths environment variables first? Go to your
Um,
path.
well, I'm on Scarb's website and it says that the installing with the script only works on Mac and Linux. So I guess that's why
Linux, yes.
I guess it doesn't work
Uh,
on Windows.
you might have to use ASDF to install it.
Okay.
So for you to
What
use ASDF, you have to. What do you say?
no, I wanted to ask what screen you wanted me to share.
Okay, no, I wanted to check your path
Oh,
variables first. Yeah,
oh,
well, you may have to. So let me share this with you. So you need to install ASDF. Um, for Windows. Where are you? By operating system. Okay, so this is it. Um, where are you? Oluwafemi.
yeah,
So I'm
I can hear
sharing a link here.
you.
So
Okay.
you will see, scroll down, you will see Windows. You will see Windows, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
exactly what I was about to follow this.
okay.
Um, Thank you very much. I'll follow it and let you know how it
Just
goes.
yeah, just give me updates. Yeah.
All right, thanks.
All right. You're welcome. You can stop sharing your screen so we can move on. Okay, Joel, good luck. Do you have a question or is there any issue that you're having? So how many? Let me check the other people. Are we installing? Have we
I'm
installed?
not understanding what you are doing.
Sir, did you just join the call? Um, Shino Yerim, why can't you? What's the issue? Why can't you install Cairo? The extension, you just go to your VS Code and then go to your extension, search for Cairo 1.0, and then you install. It's as simple as that. I'm getting this smart batch. What OS are you using? Love it. Awesome, David. Okay, wait though. What am I saying? Detected the preferred shell is ZSH. Yes, add that to your part. Linux. And what error is it giving you? Okay, no, don't put just the issue is you are not to use the this dollar sign. How do I? Can you go to this link, the slides and copy, just copy from here. It's Scarb you're trying to download or is it Rust? Which one? Is it Love It? Yes. Rust. Okay. Okay. What does your path looks like? Go to your how to install ASDF. Love it. Go to your path. Let me share you the doc to installing ASDF. Same doc. So good thing about ASDF is you can switch in between versions in case you don't want to use the latest version of Cairo. You can use another version, so you can switch when using ASDF. That's the link. Okay. Once you have Scarb installed, please use Scarb dash dash version to check if you have actually installed it. Scarb dash dash v. So let's move on. We still have this to go. And then if you already have Scarb installed, you can go ahead, click on the link, and then install Argent wallet. So let me copy the link. I have Argent wallets almost everywhere. Let me open a new Okay, I don't have Argent wallet here. So you add the extension, as you can see. Please let me know if you're following me. Oh my God. Okay. No, you don't just install ASDF using plugin add Scarb. There's a installation process you have to follow before adding this um chicken do. Um so chicken do. So what you do, see where I am, install via ASDF. What you have to do to install ASDF itself, you install ASDF, click on this link and follow the instruction. So once you're done installing the ASDF, that's when you use ASDF to add Scarb, right? Yes. David, what issues are you having? The detected your preferred shell is ZSH and added. Close your terminal, like quit it, and then once you've added the necessary thing to your path, close your terminal and then check the version again. David fixed. Okay, awesome. Okay. So are we following? Let's start installing the Argent wallet, right? So click on the link here. I'm so sorry, my screen is messed up, right? Yeah. So click on this Argent. It will take you directly to the extension, right? And then you can add to Chrome. So come here, add to Chrome. Please let me know. So you click on add extension. Let me know if you're following me, guys. I don't want to go back. Let me know if you're following me. I click on the Scarb link. It just downloaded. Hope it's okay. I don't. You click on the Scarb link. Check the version to see if it's actually downloaded successfully. Scarb dash dash version. Let me know in the comments if you're following with the Argent installation. We are going to be doing the same for Bravos, but we're only going to be doing Argent on call. Awesome. Okay, so we are moving to installing Argent wallet, right? Go here. Let me share the slides again. Come to exercise, click on the link install Argent. It will take you directly to web store. No need to update. I think mine is even 1.77.2. But if you want to update, you can update. There's no issue. You can update if you want to, Richard. So please click on the link and then go. Yeah. So add extension. Let me know, guys, if you're following me. Add extension. Yes, it's adding the extension. Come here. It hasn't added yet. It's still in progress. Let me know if you're following, if you're downloading Argent wallet or you already have Argent wallet downloaded. Okay, so I have Argent wallet downloaded. Before I create a new wallet, I need to know, guys, that you're following me. Added. Okay, awesome. Let me know. The problem is with your part, David. Please, can you choose one who is having this Scarb issue? I think the person just you to Tochukwu. Name of the wallet is Argent. That's what I'm saying. You should go on the link I sent, this link to the slides. Just click, come to exercise, click on this link. It will take you to extension. Oluwafemi, how is it going? Are you being able to install ASDF?
Hi. I followed all the steps, but the running the checking for the version is still throwing up an error.
And
I
you
want to
were you able to download the ASDF itself?
it says on the docs that ASDF only works on Mac and Linux too. Like the only way I can install it is downloading from the archives.
Yes.
Yeah, so I've done that and there's an error probably from my end. So I wanted to restart it. But I was trying to catch up with you as you were installing the Argent extension.
Okay. How should we do it? You can leave that for now. Let's install the Argent and then we'll get back to it. Right.
All right.
Yes. So for other people that are having same issues for Windows, you can just chill, let's download the wallet and then get back to it later. Please, is it on my command promptly? I am supposed to check. You can check it anywhere. Your terminal is your terminal. Mary. Okay. So you can do the same for Bravos as well, but you need to set up your Argent X wallet first. So create a new wallet. So as you can see, you can read all these things, agree, set up your password. Okay, now we have smart wallet, two-factor authentication required. Import your account to the Argent mobile app. Express seamless on-chain gaming. The beautiful thing about Argent wallet is once you connect your email, right, and you have it installed even on your mobile, right, you can install Argent mobile on your phone and still be able to control your funds on your Argent mobile, right? And then if let's say you have different Argent wallet, using one email address, you can still be able to track all the wallets that is connected to the email address using just your one mobile Argent wallet. That's just by the way. So we have experienced seamless on-chain gaming with section keys, recovery when seed phrase is locked. This is coming soon. So do you want a standard account or smart account? We are doing a smart account. Continue. So input your email address. Continue. So check for the authentication, sorry, verification sent. Okay. Again. Let me try it again. Are they telling me what I don't know? Okay. Okay. Let me use another. I have different accounts I have used different emails for already. Okay. I don't think I have any account with this one yet. Okay, let me know, guys, if you have done yours and you're in. Okay. So you have finished. You can come to your extension, pin Argent here so that you can easily have access to it. Now open your Argent wallet. You can show recovery phrase, right? Which I will not be showing mine here. And then one thing about your account on Starknet is you have to deploy your account, right, on chain, which will require a small amount of gas fees, right? So what should I do? What should I do? So I'm going to ask like a few questions, right? And then whoever gets it right, we can send some tokens so you can deploy your account on mainnet, right? So you can do the same for your Bravos, right? Do the same for your Bravos. Now you need to create an account on Sepolia. I already have an account here, but I'm not using that, right? So you come here, you see Sepolia. This is where create account. So you can see we have standard account, we have ledger account, and then we have multi-sig account for multiple owners, but we're going to be creating standard account. Yes. So now for you to fund your wallet, copy your address. No. Before you continue, this one, I'm not saving. Copy your address. You can do the recovery phrase and then save it somewhere, which I'm not doing here. Copy your address. and then click on this link. This is where you request faucets. So I have it copied. I don't want to do my recovery phrase just online. Copy your account, copy your address. Then you can either request for ETH, because gas fees are paid on. You can use for some chains. You can use ETH, and then you can use STRK. So whichever one you want to request for it, and then okay, let me just use this one. Okay, let me off this first so that you guys will not see my. Let me know if you guys are following. Please dress back a little. Where do you want me to dress to? Where you get gas fees is, let me send you the link. It's on testnet on Sepolia. That's what you'll be using for now. You really have no business with mainnet. Now, as developers, you need to use testnet to deploy your app, DApp, before it goes on mainnet. Because mainnet is you using real fonts and you don't want to waste fonts, you know. So okay, so he's asking question. Okay, so let me send my. You are not buying it though. For testnet, you're not buying it. See the link I dropped. Click on the link. There are testnet tokens. See what I'm going to do now. Right now, I don't have any token on my Sepolia. Come to Sepolia. You have no business with mainnet at the moment. Come on Sepolia, right? Copy your address and then paste here. Request for either ETH or STRK. I'm going to send your tokens to you. Okay. So let me check my. Now I have 0.025 ETH, which I can use to make interactions or deploy smart contracts on Starknet right now. Right. Let me know, guys, if you have requested for faucets and it's accepted on layer 2. I like that. In like 10 hours, it will be accepted on layer 1. Okay, guys, let me know. Let me know if you're. I already created an account on Argent, but I can't. You already created an account. Did you connect your email to it already, Oluwafemi?
Yeah, I think so.
If you connected your email to it, you'll be able to. Let me come here. Okay. Add account. No. When you were creating your Argent wallet, did you click on create new wallet or existing wallet?
I clicked on creating new. I think I did it before we started this bootcamp actually.
Okay. So you did mobile?
Yeah.
if you did mobile, you can still do the wallet and then connect the same email that you have connected to it. I have two wallets that I have connected to my email. So you can be using one wallet for your dev deployment, and you know that the one for mobile, right, is mainly for securing your funds and all of that. Okay. Okay. That's nice. Okay. So I'm trying to let me know if you can still see my screen. Eight, 7, 9, 2. Oluwafemi.
Hi.
Okay, so what's up now? I created
Sorry, I
as
can hear you.
yeah, as regards to your Argent wallet, is it up and running now?
I think I'm just going to create a new one. I want to create a new one now. Now figure out how to recover the
Okay,
other one.
okay, all right.
Yeah. Thanks.
But the one you created before, does it have any fund in it?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, all right, that works. That works. So guys, for everyone that copied their seed phrase, please just save it somewhere. Um, though the recovery options for Argent is still coming soon, right? They've not activated it yet. But then save your seed phrase. Okay, so the next thing that we're doing is please, you can do the same for Bravos. You can see I have both Argent and Bravos wallet. This is what Bravos wallet looks like, and those are the two providers we have currently have on Starknet. They are basically the same. Yeah, provide the same services. You can see your portfolio NFT. You can perform swap directly in your wallet. You can see you have access to dApps just like in every other wallet. Yes. And then see your activities. Okay, so this is if you want to bridge your token. Let's say you have ETH on Starknet. You know you can have ETH on different chains. So you have ETH on Starknet and you want to bridge it to Ethereum. So the only bridge that we have on Starknet right now is Starkgate. You come to Starkgate and then bridge your token. Let me send the link to you. Taking forever to open. It should be network. Bravos. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is it. So you connect your wallet. I don't want to do experiments because I don't. Okay, I can do experiment. So when you want to bridge, you have your Argent wallet and then you have to bridge to your MetaMask. Now the reason being that I said you have ETH on Starknet that you want to bridge to Ethereum. Jennifer, what's your question?
I already typed it. I just downloaded or installed my Rust on my Windows, and I'm asking how to install Scarb. And for the Argent wallet, the one I created is the standard wallet. I'm wondering if that's correct or if I'm supposed to do
Okay.
the smart. Hmm? The smart one, yes, the smart one I installed. The recommended one, not the other standard one. So I'm wondering if that's
Yes.
correct. The Argent. Okay, yes. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at.
Okay.
So how to install Scarb for my Windows, and I think the next thing is to do the second extension, Bravos.
Okay, just chill for the installation of Scarb for Windows, right? You need to use ASDF for that, right? You just chill so we can attend to that after class. Yes. So the bridge. So we have, yes, we have, you can see connect wallet. So on that one, get started. Now let me connect my MetaMask. I don't even have ETH on any of this. So, but then I'm just showing you. So I need to connect the Starknet wallet as well. Let me connect my my Argent wallet. Okay, so it has to be on mainnet. No, the mainnet doesn't have money. Oh, I have small money. This is taking forever. So this is just if you want to actually bridge your tokens, this is what you use. And if you want to build a bridge, you can always check out Stargate's code implementation, right, for the future if you want to build a bridge on Starknet. Okay, so what else are we doing? So Starkscan, I already mentioned we have two Explorer on Starknet. We have Starkscan and we have, why is this not going? And we have um Voyager. Okay, this is a contract. Is it like it doesn't exist anymore? Let me, can someone help me out? Everything is scattered. Even the screen where I'm at. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Can someone help me try it on there? I want to know if it's my network or this doesn't go anymore. Could you explain what really happens when you build your token? when what just happened is that you're moving from funds from one particular network to another network. So like I said, if maybe you have what is not working. Oh, okay, the link. Okay. There's probably a problem with this contract address. I wanted us to interact with a contract, but something you can always do in your next class. Yes. Okay, about the bridging. Yes, so it's basically moving from funds from one chain to another, right? So you could have, say, ETH on Starknet. Like I have ETH on Starknet here, and I don't have ETH on Ethereum. I need ETH on Ethereum to perform transactions on Ethereum. Now, I don't want to buy ETH on Ethereum because I have ETH on Starknet. I can always bridge the ETH on Starknet to Ethereum. So that is why there are bridges that you can use to bridge those tokens. So you come on, am I still? I'm on minutes now, so why is it telling me? Is this on minute? This is on minute too. So it's simply just imputing the amount of ETH. Okay, no, I have Starknet, but I don't have. I think it should just be. So do you understand? Who is who is asking the question? Someone asked the question. Eze. So did you get it now? Or might be like magic. I will have to. So what is like magic? Bolaji. Please, Windows people, Jennifer, Oluwafemi, and the likes, I will get back to you after the class. Please, bear with us, Windows people. Yeah. Eze, did you get the old bridging thing now? And then Bolaji, what is like magic? I think network is bad. Okay. Are we supposed to switch from mainnet to Sepolia? Yes, that is when you're using Sepolia, please. Sepolia, yes. That is when you're using testnet. Sepolia. 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 So let me check if there's any contract available that we can interact with on testnet. So, and that will be the last thing for today's class. Starkscan. Is it opening? That is giving me options. Okay. I hope this is testnet. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to. This is a deployed address, a deployed contract. I'm going to send. Wait, not really. Please. Does it mean that if I have ETH on Starknet, I can connect it with my ETH wallet? Yes, you can bridge with Bravo's wallet. You have a whole number of wallets you can choose from. So easy. What I'm saying is the way bridging works is like you have, I'm still going to use because this is the best way that I can use for explanation. I have ETH. I have ETH on my Starknet. I have 0.226 ETH on my Starknet, on Starknet chain. This Ethereum, is on Starknet. It cannot work on Ethereum. I can only use this Ethereum that I have on Starknet at the moment. But now I need Ethereum to pay. I need ETH on Ethereum to pay gas fees on Ethereum. But I don't want to buy ETH on Ethereum. Now, since I have ETH on Starknet, I can always use Starkgate, which is a bridging network, to bridge from Starknet to ETH. So if I bridge, let's say, all the ETH I have on Starknet, right? I bridge it to Ethereum. I'm going to be left with 0 ETH on Starknet, while I'm going to be having maybe 0.1 something or 0.2 something ETH on Ethereum. Now, to bridge, I will need 2 wallets. I need my Starknet wallet, which in this case is Argent wallet, and I need my MetaMask, where I'm going to be bridging the ETH to. Right now, this is my MetaMask. It currently has 0 ETH. It's on Ethereum. So, if you allow me to use my Ethereum wallet is connected. Let me connect this one. So what is this telling me? My network is on mainnet. I don't know what is telling me. Okay, so both wallets are connected. My Ethereum wallet is connected and my Starknet wallet is connected. Now, Eze, please, are you following? If you are not following, I will not answer your question again. Please follow. Now, I have Ethereum mainnet and I have my Starknet mainnet. Remember, is the ETH on Starknet that I want to bridge to Ethereum, the Ethereum chain. Now, I'm going to deposit. So the one that I want to deposit is the one that is going to be up Starknet from to. Can you see? Now, let me. You can only use. No, please. Let me just use the ETH I have. I don't think this can even go through. Okay. Now, see what I want to transfer. Now, it's going to still show 0 because it's very insignificant. It's too small. Right. So let me do transfer. So I'm going to do no withdraw. I need to deposit it first. Okay. Now transfer. As you can see, this is happening. And see the gas fees I'm paying. So it might take a while. It might take a while actually. Initiate transfer. Starknet transaction is being processed on Starknet. Please return in approximately 12 hours to complete your withdrawal on Ethereum. Can you see it, Eze? So that is do you on that? Yes, you're following. Beautiful. Yes, you can't be able to connect it because it's on mainnet. If you have funds on it, you'll be able to do that. So let's quickly interact with this address. Now we have a contract that increase counter and then reads get counter. Now let's interact with this. Now for you to write, what is wrong? I think this contract is Cairo 0. This one that is telling me I have my wallet connected already. Okay, it's not connected. So guys, please follow through. I dropped the link already here. Please click on the link and interact. Now connect your wallet. You can use, I think this Sepolia network should work. All right, let's try that. Let's see if it will work. Oh, it's not deployed. It's on mainnet, guys. So you can only interact with it if you have tokens on mainnet. So, but then let's just do it together. I connect to Argent, right? So now increase counter. Do I even want to waste my, no, let me reject first. Let's get this first. You can get this even if you can't write. You know, you need gas fees to write to the state, but you don't need gas fees to get. Currently, this is what we have. Query. We have let's display it in okay, decimal is 81. Now if I write currently is 81, please follow. Currently is 81. Now let me increase counter. Increase counter, right? Increase counter, confirm. So the transaction was successful. I've confirmed. I don't want to confirm twice, please. Don't waste my first. So let's come here. Query, that should be 82 at this point. Now we have 82. So it's as simple as that. That's just basically interacting on chain. Any question as at this moment, apart from the Windows users that are unable to install Scarb? Okay, can I ask my question? You were not following, that's why you don't know what the 81 I just mentioned is for. The 81 I mentioned was the state at which the counter was before I interacted with it. It was at 81, right? When I interacted with it, when I increased the counter, right, and then went back, it increased to 81. So that's it. You can also go there and interact with it as well. And then it keeps increasing. Before you interact with it, get the counter, get the state of the counter, and then interact with it. And yeah. So your assignment for this week, right? You're going to be, I think it's just better to how should I even do it? Okay. Your assignment for this week is to write a thread, doesn't have to, just something creative on what makes Starknet wallet unique more than if a normal crypto wallet. Let's just say that. Let me not say Ethereum wallet. A normal crypto wallet, yes. So did you get the question? Did you get the assignment? Did you get the assignment? You did not get the assignment. Eh? So when you write the thread, right, tag tag everyone taggable, tag me as well, right? I'm going to be giving 5 Stark tokens to 5 good submissions. Yes. And that's that for today. Thank you guys. If no questions, please, for Windows users, we are going to come back to you. Okay, but that's that for today. Thank you and have a beautiful weekend. And for those that will be coming for Web3 see you tomorrow. Please, Kelvin, you can take over. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. Thank you so much for the wonderful class, Sarah. I totally appreciate it. So like she has said, you have an assignment and it's basically to write. If you've been attending the classes from day one, you should be able to know the answer to this question. Is as simple as, as anything. So write a thread on what makes Starknet wallets unique. You should know that Starknet wallets, you should obviously look at its features. The features of Starknet are very, prominent, that everybody knows. You have the account abstraction, you have, be as detailed as possible. Tag GIDA, tag Sarah Oluwatosin's handle, tag Starknet Africa. Like she has promised, it's going to be some Stark reward tokens. Please just appreciate her for that. It's not an easy thing to, give a bounty to the top 5 submissions. Let me just type something. Oh, damn. So there's going to be some Stark tokens like she has promised, the top 5. So do your very best to ensure you come out top 5. Let your thread be good. And like mentioned, the assignment is for everybody. To actually graduate from this bootcamp, we already shared like the what you should do. You should have to ensure that you attend at least 60% of all classes. You have to ensure that you do all assignments and tests, right, that are given. So it's not just for 1 or 2 or 3 people, it's for everybody. I'm going to mark these assignments. I'm going to take records. I'm going to take records of this assignment. I'm going to mark it and grade everybody. So this is a basic one starting the week. Make sure that you are actively involved and do what you have to do. So we want to appreciate Sarah for the amazing class this week. The whole week 1, has been amazing. Whole week 1 sessions has been amazing. This is the soft stuff. So if you don't understand at this stage, you are really going to be in for a long ride. Anything you don't understand now, you're going to find it difficult to understand eventually, because this is really the soft stage of things. So ensure that you are following. If you are confused or lost, I think we'll also take like questions. We'll take questions before like the session tonight ends. So anything you are lost on, this is the right time to know those things, because once you don't know it now, and we get into the difficult stuff or go into code proper, you'll find it very hard to catch up. If you have not been attending our classes actively, I'm telling you now to start changing your game, plan your schedule proper, and leave out these 3 days, the 2 hours allocated for the classes. Plan your schedule proper. If your network is usually bad during class, it keeps kicking you in and out. Plan your schedule proper so this doesn't happen again. If you have to buy 5G or Wi-Fi, if you have to use all 4 networks, use it. Ensure that you don't miss these classes real time. Watching the recording is there, but attending the class real time, you get more clarity on what to do, how to do, and get responses faster. Right? You may get stuck when you are only watching the recordings. Do your very best to ensure you attend all classes. So we've come officially to the end of week 1's class. Join us on Monday for the next session with a new instructor joining us for week 2. So week 2's class, same Google Meet link is to be used, 8:30 p.m. West African time. So yeah, Sarah is going to mark the assignments. So I think you have between tonight to Sunday for the assignments. So Sunday, Sarah, what time Sunday does it end?
Okay, that should be 11:59 p.m. just before 12 a.m.
Perfect. So 11:59 p.m. East African time on Sunday. We're going to send you an email, and it will have the link for you to submit, the link to the submission for week 1 assignments. So submit your details on that link from tonight to 11:59 p.m. West African time this Sunday. Like she said, Web3 Lagos is happening tomorrow. Web3 Lagos conference. I will be speaking at the conference. Sarah will be there. So if you're in Lagos or you're traveling in for the conference, I look forward to meeting you there. Just identify me. Identify Sarah. We're going to be providing some exclusive GIDA merch at the event tomorrow. 10 exclusive GIDA merch. I met a couple of persons at the conference today. A lot of you, some of you were present, and it was good. Good time networking with you guys. Had a lot of fun, and looking forward to it. So yes, please, this is time for questions. Whatever it is you don't understand in week 1, or you have been lost on, or any part, don't think that any question is irrelevant. Every question is relevant, right? So wherever you think you are lost, wherever you think you are lost, or whatever it is you're confused on, please ask it now. Okay. So if you have any question, just raise your hand, or you can type it. If there is no question in the next like 5 minutes, we're going to end this session for tonight. But I believe there should be questions. I haven't seen a lot of things in the group. So if you don't have any question, ask now. And if not, somebody is asking about attendance. As you're in this corner, attendance is being taken actually, right? And you don't have to worry about it. It's being taken automatically via an AI, or rather via Google Meet Pro plugin. So we are subscribed to the premium plan of Google Meet. So as it's recording the call, it's taking a record of what time you joined the class. It's taking a record of what time you left. It's taking a record of how many minutes you stayed in the class, your name, your email, every single thing is being sent to us. So if you join the class and you exited after 5 minutes, we'll know you stayed in class for only 5 minutes. So that's how the attendance is being taken. However, for the assignments, we are using a Google form that you submit your assignments in to take the recording for the assignment phase. So at least 60% assignment, 60% attending of classes is also going to help enable your graduates. Somebody said they don't understand what a thread is. Sarah, can you explain? And somebody said, is it only to be submitted on X?
Okay, so just like you make a post on Twitter, right, on X, yes. So the thread is just like you explaining, okay, the first post, you want to talk about what differentiates Starknet wallet from normal crypto wallet, right? So the post under it, you begin, you continue the explanation. So that's a thread, like how like a thread is like a normal thread, right? It's just like the continuous step for you to just explain it. So that's just it. So you just submit a link to the parents, the master thread. We don't call it like that. So you can also make the post on LinkedIn as well, Starknet and tag GIDA, tag Starknet, tag everybody possible. You can tag me as well. So you can do both Twitter and LinkedIn. So do you understand now? So the
Yes.
assignment is submitted, is the link to the assignment that you submit, but you make the post on Twitter.
Good. So, like she explained, the thread is just like making a normal post, but instead of one post, you're making series of posts. So you should know how that works. Just make the main post or put it in your draft as you're writing. You see the plus sign that asks you to add a tweet to the thread. So you put as many tweets as contains what you want to voice out. So be as detailed as possible to show that you really understand what you've been taught. So that's a thread, and you can post it on LinkedIn. If you're a Facebook user, you can post on Facebook as well. I mean, you can post it across all, but we prefer Twitter, right? So if you have Twitter, you have Facebook, you have LinkedIn, you can post it across all of them. Like I said, this thing helps you in accountability, right? To show you're accountable, keep you accountable. People will know that you're really learning something. So for your thread, you can use the screenshot of yourself in the call. I think I've asked you guys to take a screenshot of yourself in the call. If you have not done that, you can do it. Take a screenshot of yourself in this call right now. So it's going to like show proof of work that you were here. That you say that I attended the week 1 classes of the GIDAxStarknet Cairo Web3 / blockchain developer bootcamp. I learned about Starknet and all that. This is what it is. So you now start explaining. I use that screenshot or what have you. So that's it. You can, the link to all our socials, if you want to tag us, is on the Telegram channel. So you just check there, you see the link to our Telegram, LinkedIn, and all that. You want to make a video as well, even better, right? It must not be a written article. For people that like making videos or shooting videos, you can make a video of it and post. That is totally fine. So what you submit on the form is the link. What is the submission deadline? 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So the link will be sent to your email. Somebody said recording of today's class. The recording is always posted the next day. So expect the recording on the YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Very, very important. And turn on notifications so you get informed once the recording is sent. I mean, you don't have to wait for us to come and tell you that we've posted the recording. Most times we may not do that. So the best way to actually stay on top of the loop or on top of the information food chain is by subscribing and turning on notifications. So once a post is made on the channel, you'll get notified that a video is posted. So that's where the recording is going to be sent to the Telegram, to the YouTube channel. So the assignment is to be submitted on X. It's a thread, so that's why you're asked to do it on X. You're submitting it on the Google form, not on X. You do the assignment on X, and you submit the link. Somebody says, okay, I think Sarah, these are like technical. Somebody said I was lost on the Cairo syntax explained at the beginning. Another person says they are stuck on Scarb, the Windows user. I think this one is very serious. She has repeated it like 3 times.
For the Cairo syntax, I made mention from the beginning that it's just for you to like be able to differentiate and see how similar the Cairo syntax is with Rust. And then we just did like a little breakdown. It's not like a detailed breakdown. So what we used was the rectangle custom data types. And I think the reason why the person didn't really follow up is either maybe you joined late or probably you are not, you're not a solid developer, right? So, but then I think you should rewatch um, the recording so you can understand. But when it comes to the details from next week, they are going to explain to you even like from the scratch, like explaining what variables are, how to use variables, and then to how you can start writing your program. So this is just like an overview, like I mentioned, nothing like deep. So, but then to building from scratch, we start from next week. So, for installation of Scarb, I think the reason why you're still Jennifer is because you're a Windows user, and I said I'm going to get back to you. I'm going to reach out to somebody so you can get a docs for you to follow through to be able to for Windows user, specifically for Windows user. And you were mentioning Bridge. Bridge is specifically for moving funds for on Stargate at the moment is for moving funds on mainnet. You cannot use testnet tokens. So it's if you have mainnet tokens that you can move it, you can use Bridge. So if you don't want to bridge your tokens, I see no reason why, like, but you just have to like have to understand the concept of bridging tokens. That's just it. And then Starscan is like Etherscan. You know Etherscan when you can query your data, you can interact with. If you haven't built a front end yet for your smart contracts, Starscan is somewhere you can interact with your deployed smart contract. And that was what we did on call, right? There was a smart contract that was deployed, a contract that increased counter and then get counter. So when I interacted with it, I get the counter. It was 81 at first, and when I load to the states to increase counter, then get counter, it was 82. But you can try it out on your own if you have mainnet token. So I hope I answered your question, Jennifer. Yeah.
So Jennifer, is everything clear now?
So for chicken, do what you have to get ready. So just in the last part of the slides, there's a documentation that is attached to it, Cairo book. You can just open the Cairo book. Let me even send it here. So it's just like you reading ahead, actually. So what you're going to be studying from next week is let me send, this is the book. So open the book. You can go through hello world. Now that you have your development environment set up, go through variables and mutability, the common programming concepts in Cairo. Just go through them. Just go through them before the next class. So in the next class, if you have any questions, though all of these things will be covered in the next class, but it's just better for you to study before the next class. So if anything, you can always ask questions and you can flow with the tutor and also do your assignments before the next class. So that's all.
Perfect. I guess this answers all the questions. Does any other person have a question? Who else is lost? I want to believe if you are not saying anything, it means you understand. Because if we don't ask, Sarah will ask you. Right? I want to be sure everybody understands what has been taught this week. And if you have any question, please ask now. Because with this, we're coming to the end of Sarah's class. And it's mainly the assignment that is out. But of course, she's always available to help you guys. If you guys get lost in any way, she's always available to mentor and guide you. But from next week, we'll have another instructor. So probably, sorry, you can drop your Telegram handle, is her name. So we can actually reach out to you at any point if they get confused or lost. So yeah.
On Telegram.
Yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna drop this username of Sarah. Just a minute. Okay, so yes, I've dropped it in the WhatsApp group. So you can equally feel free to reach out to her at any point if you get confused or lost on anything and you need some more clarity. It's not really about your device. The person that was saying about Windows and all that, it's about your grids. You know, yeah, it's very normal to have issues, right? So it's how your grids to solve those issues or problems that come your way. That is the cocoa. So make sure that you are up to the task. So with this, we've come to the end of week one's class. Start doing your assignment from this night. And I'm looking forward to seeing. Yeah, please use hashtags, right? May type. Just a minute. We want you to use hashtags so that it's easy to track these posts for those that make them. Minutes. We use GIDAxStarknet, Starknet, and then GIDA Dev Bootcamp. I'm going to type these 3 hashtags. So all the links that have been sent here have been sent on the WhatsApp group. Check carefully and you'll find them. So yeah, all the links have been sent to the WhatsApp group. Check the messages carefully. You'll find them. So yeah, that's it. What else? I think this is pretty much it. So with this, I think we've come to the end of tonight's session since there are no classes. Thank you so much, Sarah, once again. Thank you, the Starknet Africa team. Thank you, GIDA. Please let's appreciate all these people I'm calling. Appreciate GIDA for bringing the opportunity to you. Appreciate Starknet for the technology. Appreciate Sarah for taking up the charge of like starting the whole process with you guys. I believe you guys had a great time with her, and we're looking forward to having her again, probably before the class ends. You have a good night rest, everyone, and see you soon. Bye. Night.